Alright, so in this video I'm pretty much just going to be practicing drawing hair. I've been trying to practice different types of hair recently. I don't really have a lot of experience when it comes to like drawing like detailed hair. I've watched some videos here and there. They've more so, said to like kind of focus on values, so the shadows and the highlights of the hair, the general form of the hair, things like that. You can kind of see the practice that I've done with the 1.5 faces on the left page. I was supposed to show the full drawing for this, but for whatever reason my camera bugged out and didn't get the part of me drawing the face. Quite unfortunate, but it is what it is. And yeah, so pretty much in this video I'm kind of just working off the little that I know, so I'm kind of just improvising as I go with it. There was some parts of it that I was very skeptical about, and I was worried about how it was going to end, but to be honest, I quite like how it finished. If you have any suggestions or advice or anything like that, that would be greatly appreciated. And if you do like how it ended, please feel free to subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.
You